In this video, we are going to tell you how long does eyebrow tinting last. Eyebrow tinting is a process of applying semi-permanent dye to enhance shape and define your eyebrows. Eyebrow tinting can give modest eyebrows a fresh, bold look that lasts for several weeks. Not only that, it's a relatively low-risk, low-cost salon procedure that cuts down on the need for daily makeup. Several factors can affect exactly how much time you can go in between eyebrow tinting treatments. The consensus among experts is that eyebrow tinting will last between 3 to 8 weeks. Factors in how long your tinting will last include the type of dye, how hard you scrub your face, what type of makeup remover or face cleanser you use, sun exposure, sunscreen use, how quickly your hair grows and sheds. Generally speaking, expect your tint to last about a month between touch-ups. This was all for now. Subscribe to Healthy Primix for more useful videos and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.